In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get great results with the Chatgpt app. Let's walk through the exact process from opening the app to saving the answer you need, keeping everything simple and effective. First, open the Chatgpt app. If you've been using it recently, you may land on a previous conversation. To keep things focused, start a new chat so your next message isn't influenced by earlier topics. A fresh chat helps the app understand your request clearly, without extra context. Next, think about a clear question or task you want ChatGPT to do. Aim for a single, well-defined goal. Instead of help me with marketing, try draft a friendly, 3-paragraph product announcement for a new eco-friendly water bottle. Clarity reduces back and forth and produces better results faster. Now type your prompt in the chat box. Begin with a short one-sentence objective, then add any essential context. Mention who the audience is, what success looks like, and any constraints such as word count or deadline. This tells the model exactly what you want. Include details like tone, style, format, or examples if needed. For instance, you might say, use a confident yet approachable tone, or format it as an intro, 3 key points, and a conclusion. If there's a model example you like, paste a short snippet and say, match this style. The more specific your guidance, the more on target the response will be. Tap send and give the app a moment to generate the response. It will produce an answer based on the information you provided. Read ChatGPT's response carefully. Check whether it meets your goals, follows your constraints, and uses your desired voice. If accuracy matters, quickly verify facts or figures before you rely on them. Ask follow-up questions or refine your prompt for better results. Think of this like a conversation. You can say, make it shorter and punchier, add a concrete example, or rewrite for a beginner audience. If something was missed, restate your core objective and clarify what needs to change. Iteration is normal and often where the best results appear. Finally, copy, save, or export the answer if needed. You can copy the text into your notes, save the chat for later reference, or export the content to use in your document or project. It's a good idea to label your saved content so you can find the latest version quickly. And that's it. Open the app, start a fresh chat, craft a clear prompt with helpful details, send it, review the response, refine as needed, and then save your result.